Hey there. Welcome back to the Productive Not Busy podcast. And today I want to talk about consistency, the secret sauce to success, the driving force behind every accomplishment, and the unwavering commitment that turns dreams into reality. Today, sit back and enjoy.
You're listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast, where we show you how to do life and business confident, focused, and with a plan so that you can make more money, have more free time, and less stress. Your host, Wayne Withersby, will uncover actionable hacks, strategies, tips, and insights you can use today to live a better, more productive life. It's time to boost your mindset, confidence, and your attitude. Here's your host, Coach Wayne.
Consistency is not just a word. It's a lifestyle. It's a mindset. And the choice that you make every single day. It's about showing up. It's not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. It's like this relentless pursuit of your goals, okay? The refusal to give in to any of the setbacks that you encounter. And the determination to keep moving forward. Makes sense, right? What's the old saying? Life is a journey. Okay, life is a journey filled with all these ups and downs and challenges and triumphs. It's easy to be motivated when everything is going easy and well. But true greatness, right? All those who have achieved it when you can find that strength to push through the tough times, the obstacles. Consistency is your anchor in the storm, your compass when you're turned around and you're lost, and your fuel when the road gets tough. So imagine a world-class athlete, okay, who only trains when they feel like it, or a successful entrepreneur who only puts effort in when the market's favorable to them. It's totally nonsense, right? The most accomplished individuals in any field understand that success is not a one-time event. It's a series of small, consistent actions that compound over time. So consistency is not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. It's the small daily rituals, the incremental improvements, and the commitment to excellence that pave the way to success. What's the old saying? Rome wasn't built in a day, but it was built brick by brick with this unwavering determination and this consistent effort. So don't underestimate the power of showing up every day, putting the work in and staying true to your goals and expectations. Okay, it's in those moments of consistent effort that you build resilience and discipline and character. And that's what's necessary to overcome just about any obstacle, actually. So as you embark on your journey in whatever it is, remember this. Success is not reserved for the chosen few. That's bullshit. It's the result of consistent, intentional effort. So I want you to embrace the challenges. Stay focused on your goals and expectations and keep pushing forward. No matter how small the steps may be, keep taking them. Okay? Vince Lombardi, that's the coach who the Super Bowl trophy is named after to this day, had this famous saying. I've got it up here on my wall. The only place success comes before work is in the dictionary. So let consistency be your guiding light, your consistent companion, and the force that propels you forward towards whatever your greatness is. Stay consistent, stay committed, and watch as the seeds of your effort, right, grow into something extraordinary. The world is waiting for your unique brand of brilliance. So go out there and shine, man. Make it happen. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Be safe, take care, sell a bunch, find somebody, and say something nice.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.